In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stremio add-ons on mobile. If you've already got Stremio installed, but you're staring at a mostly empty library, wondering where all the content is, this is exactly the video for you. Add-ons are what actually populate Stremio with movies and shows, so this step is essential. Let's dive right in. Open up Stremio on your phone and tap the 3 lines in the top left corner to bring up the main menu. Scroll down toward the bottom of that list and you'll find add-ons. Go ahead and tap into it. This is where everything happens from here on out. Once you're inside, you'll notice a picker at the top that lets you switch between official and community add-ons, so let's cover both. Option A, official add-ons. These are the ones Stremio itself maintains, so they're the most stable and predictable place to start. Just browse through the list, and when you find one you want, tap the install button right next to it. It'll take just a second, and once it's done, that add-on's content will start showing up in your catalog automatically. Option B, community add-ons. Switch the picker over to community, and you'll find a much bigger, constantly growing selection built by independent developers. Keep in mind though, since Stremio doesn't run these itself, quality and reliability can vary from one to the next, so it's worth sticking with well-known, actively maintained ones. Installing works the same way here. Find the add-in and tap Install. Some community add-ons are configurable, meaning they might ask for an account login or an API key before they'll work. If that's the case, it's honestly easier to set those up once on a computer through Stremio's desktop app or the web version, since the configuration syncs straight over to your phone afterward instead of fiddling with it on a small screen. Now, every so often, on Android specifically, you might tap Install on an add-ons page and nothing seems to happen. Don't worry, this is a known hiccup and not something wrong on your end. First, make sure Stremio itself is fully updated, since that resolves it most of the time. If it's still not cooperating, skip the button entirely and instead go to My Account, then Add-on Manager, and install it from there, or do it through Stremio Web in a browser instead, which tends to be more reliable for trickier installs. One more thing worth knowing, add-ons are tied to your account, not your device. So once something's installed, it'll automatically show up whether you're on your phone, your laptop, or a TV, as long as you're signed in with the same account. And if you ever want to clean things up, that same add-in manager screen under My Account lets you uninstall anything you no longer need. Just keep in mind, if you installed the same add-in more than once with different settings, you'll need to remove each one individually. And that's really the whole system. Official for reliability, community for variety, and the add-in manager as your backup whenever a button misbehaves. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.